Hello and welcome back. In this video we will be exploring how to create the donor-related document of thank you letters, which will also function as tax-deductible receipts as required. Your organization may have different thank you letter templates for your donors, based on tax deductibility requirements or donation size, etc. You can create different templates within Customising to generate the various thank you letters that you require. The thank you letter for Customising works off mail merge. For more information on how to work with mail merge, you may wish to watch the video link in the description, which has been created by Microsoft on mail merge. Final outputs can either be in PDF or as email content. These will be taught in our video on how to generate thank you letters. Now, we will focus on how to customize the content and set up the template. In this section, we will learn how to link the templates with your Customising donation information. This information will be hosted in what is called a database and allows the template to pull the donation information for your thank you letters. You only need to link the template and database once. However, if you change the tool folder, move template files or change your computer, you will need to link the template and the database again. To link the database to the template, you will first need to open up your donation database. The database is located in the mail merge worksheet in the reports and setting file. Going to your Customising tool folder, ensure that your preview pane on the right side is turned off. Then click on the reports and setting file to open it. You will be prompted to key in a password to unprotect the workbook. Key in the administrator password which has been provided to you by Impact. Note that this is not your Customising tool password. Next, click Update and continue. Clicking on the right button at the bottom of the page, scroll right until you locate the Mail Merge tab. Select that and you should see the screen above. Your database is now open and ready for linking. Next, open up the template that you wish to link. Going back to the Customising tool folder, click on the Thank You Letter folder. This folder can be used to keep all the thank you letter templates or the printed thank you letters. To avoid confusion between templates and letters, you may wish to create a separate folder for the letters created from Customising. In our example, we will be using the default thank you letter template. Click on the file to open it, ensuring the preview pane is turned off. A dialog box as above will then appear, prompting for your response. Click No for now, as we are first going to create the link between the template and the database. Once you have clicked No, this screen will appear. At the top, click on Mailings. Then click on Select Recipients followed by Use an existing list. This window will then pop up. Click at the top and put in your Customising tool location. Select your reports and setting file and click Open. This step will connect the template to the file, and the linkage may take a while. When the connection is done, a dialog box will pop up, prompting you to select a table. Scroll down until you see Mail Merge. Select it, then click OK. Take note not to choose the Mail Merge with print titles. Your template should now be automatically updated with the information in your donation database. To check, make sure the Preview Results button is turned on by pressing it, then check for noticeable changes in the date or name section of the letter. Once this is done, click Save. In the next few sections, we will show you how to do various customizations. To customize your template, you will first need to enable customization mode by ensuring that your Preview Results button is turned off. Once it's off, you will notice that the date in the template now becomes a date field that is drawn from your database. Ensure that you are now in customization mode before moving on to the next section. We will next show you how to add your organization logo or letterhead to the template. Please have the logo or letterhead ready, as a JPG or PNG file. On the template, select the Insert tab at the top, then click on Pictures. A screen will pop up for you to select the file. Look for your desired file, then select Insert. Your logo should now appear in the template. Click on the logo and resize it by pulling on the dots that appear. To move it, drag the logo to the desired location. Once you are satisfied, just click somewhere else on the template. If you have only added a logo, You can now type any other organization details that you need directly into the blank space next to the logo. Next, delete the placeholder at the top of the template and adjust the line spacing to suit your requirements. If you are planning to print your thank you letter on paper that already has your letterhead, make sure you leave sufficient space at the top for the letterhead. Click Save once the design is complete. We will next learn how to customize the template text fields. This is useful if you want to change the text in the template or put in different donation details. To begin, make sure you can see the merge fields displayed in your template. You should be seeing the screen on your right and not the one on your left. Press Ctrl A, then followed by Shift F9 to toggle between the two views. Alternatively, right-click and choose Toggle Field Codes. You will notice some text within curly brackets. These are merge fields taken from the database and will vary for each donation. The other text outside of the brackets are standard wordings in all letters and you can change them directly. An example is the sign-off section. If you have a designated person who signs off on the letters, simply overwrite here with the information. You may now wish to pause the video and update the template for your organization's wordings. Remember only to change words that are outside the curly brackets. An example has been provided here for your reference where only sections of the wording have been changed. Any text around the merge fields have also been retained. Once you have updated the text, click Save. If your organization is an Institute of Public Character organization, the thank you letter has a section that can be used for tax or non-tax deductible receipt. Please remember to update this section with your organization's information. After you are done with the text, we now look at the merge fields, which are fields that pull information from your Kaching donations. To add a new fields, click on Mailings at the top. Choose Insert Merge Fields and click on the field you want to add in before pressing Enter. In this example, as we want to pull the donor's address into the letter, there are 4 fields that has to be selected for the address to be complete. This step thus needs to be repeated 4 times, each time pulling in different fields like the block number, unit number, road name and postal code. When you are done adding the fields, your template will look something like this. You may notice that some merge fields look more complicated. This is because the underlying database has been programmed to show different donation details depending on other fields. An example of this is the donor name showing if the donor is individual while being defaulted to Sir or Madam for non-individual donors. After you are done with your customization, click on Preview Results and have a read-through, to ensure that the text reads fine and fields have been populated correctly. Once you are satisfied with the setup, click Save and close the template. You have now successfully set up the thank you letter template and can generate thank you letters for your donors. To learn how to generate the letters, please watch the relevant video under our Reports Generation playlist. You may wish to do that now so that you can check that your template has been set up correctly. Should you have more than one template, you will need to repeat these steps for each template. If you need further assistance, please contact us via the live chat on our web page. For more information on Kaching, check out our webpage at www.impact.sg/Kaching.